Due to poor lifestyle, bad eating habits, and illnesses, waste accumulates in our body. If there are more toxins in our body, it affects the functioning of body parts. For us to be healthy, it is very important to clean the body. Detoxification purifies our blood. It also improves mental health. Body detoxification helps balance hormones, improves sleep, digestion, and strengthens the immune system. Detoxification improves body metabolism. Detoxification helps in cleaning the wastes accumulated in vital organs like kidneys, lungs, and liver. Some detox drinks help to remove waste from our body. Vattiveru Khas Khas drink. Summer season is about to start. We prefer drinks that cool our body. Vattiveru drink works wonders to cool our body. It affects the body. They naturally fight toxic wastes and toxic germs. Vetiveru is rich in nutrients like iron, manganese, and vitamin B6. These nutrients help improve blood circulation in the body and keep hypertension under control. Free radicals are removed from the body if you drink a different drink. If you boil Vetiveru in water every morning and drink it on an empty stomach, the toxins in the body will go out and you will also lose weight. It also relieves the problem of insomnia. The antiseptic properties of Vattiveru have the ability to filter waste from the liver and kidneys. This drink also helps in weight loss. Coriander tea. Coriander tea stimulates digestive enzymes. Improves our digestive system. The fiber present in coriander promotes digestion. Coriander is rich in potassium, iron, magnesium, calcium, folic acid, vitamins A, K and C. Coriander helps in urination. They remove accumulated toxins from the body through urine. Coriander helps regulate metabolism. The fiber in these keeps the stomach full. It prevents hunger pangs. This is where you soak 2 spoons of coriander in 1 glass of water at night. It is better to drink this water on an empty stomach in the morning. After drinking coriander tea, if you work out, all the waste in the body will go out through sweat. Cumin, lemon juice. Cumin improves body metabolism. Helps gut health. Burns extra calories in the body. The properties of cumin. Dissolve excess fat in the body. Cumin is rich in potassium, calcium, and copper. These are good for health. Soak 1 teaspoon cumin seeds in a glass of water at night. Boil and filter in the morning. After it is warm, add lemon juice and drink it on an empty stomach. Cinnamon. Cinnamon activates the metabolism and helps in weight loss. Properties of cinnamon. Removes toxins from the body. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants. They control appetite and help in weight loss. Cinnamon melts visceral fat. Prevents colds and allergies. The antimicrobial properties of cinnamon act as a remedy for bladder infections. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is rich in nutrients like iron, magnesium, manganese, copper, vitamin B6 protein and fiber. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Especially the saponins in fenugreek are good for fiber digestion. Soak fenugreek seeds in water and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach to flush out waste from the body.